Hey guys, Ezra here again with another do-it-yourself video. Today we're going to be hacking your car. Many Toyotas, Lexuses, and Scions offer the ability to customize settings of the car, such as tones, beeps, rolling windows up and down when you lock the car, etc. You can buy a kit online, and all you need is a Windows computer. Preferably a laptop with a USB connection. You can buy a kit on eBay for the cable that will use to interface with the car. It is called a mini VCI cable. Make sure you try to find the latest version with the latest firmware and software to work with your car. Once you have those two and the software installed, we can get to work. First, connect the mini VCI cable to your OBD port underneath the steering column. Press the ignition twice or start the car. Connect the cable into your computer, and let's get to work. On my Mac, I decided to run VirtualBox, which lets me run Windows 7 on my Mac computer. It's a basic VM with just 2 gigs of RAM and 2 processors. Here I have the Techstream software already installed and ready to go. Your software should come with directions on how to properly set it up. Make sure under devices you have the USB selected to connect the X-Horse cable to your virtual machine. Now select the X-Horse cable within the Techstream software. Select Connect to Vehicle to begin the pairing process. As you can see, the Techstream software already detects some basic parameters of my car. Alright, here we have the main menu. To customize settings in your car, go to Customize Setting on the left column. Here we've got the options revealed by the Techstream for my particular car. Let's go ahead and check the moonroof settings. Alright, as you can see, there are a number of different settings you can customize, particularly the wireless key related operation. If you want to tilt or slide your moonroof open when you double click the unlock button on your key fob. Here I'm changing it back to slide, which is the default setting. I'm going to go ahead and change it back to tilt. That is actually my preferred setting though. It's pretty easy. I'll make another video with all the settings for the GS350, but here I'll just scroll through the different settings for the moonroof. And there you have it. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Go ahead and get your cable and customize your own car. Thanks for watching. And remember to like and subscribe.